The Federal Reserve is planning aggressive rate hikes for the year. Let's bring in Michele Schneider of the MarketGauge Group. And Michele, all of this Fed talk is giving a lot of churn to the market. How do you handle a choppy market?
Well, there's two ways to look at the market right now. There's one, if you look at the overall macro situation that we're in, clearly we are in a hyperinflationary time with oil and energy prices, food prices, and you're starting to see all commodities go up. Industrial metals, even precious metals are trying to stay strong. All of the commodities are in bullish phases. And so what we're really seeing here is that even though the Fed was relatively dovish with their 0.25% raise, they are at the ready for raising more. So I look at it as a glass half full, glass half empty. The half full is that the fact that they didn't do so much, that brought a lot of money into equities that people started to feel were really at fair value. And the glass half empty is that they were worried about the economy, but as soon as they think that there might be some reason to raise more, they're going to have to. So they're trying to make a choice, economy or inflation. So I think that that's the overall backdrop. If we look at the technical analysis from last week, we had a tremendous amount of buying, and you had some historic moves in terms of 4 days up and a move over 6% on very low volume. So I think that this really still supports something I've been saying for quite some time, which is we're in a trading range. Don't get too bullish, don't get too bearish, and keep your eyes on those commodities.
What's your trade of the day, Michele?
Well, there's a couple of things to be looking at here. I mean, obviously, I'm still liking to be a dip buyer in commodities. Any dips that we have right now should be bought. But if we're looking at something more specifically, let's talk about BITO, which is the ETF that deals with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been trying to consolidate here between 38 and 42,000. And so if it manages to get over 42,000, I think you'll see BITO go up much greater. It's been basing out now for the last 3 months.
We thank you as always for being on our show.
Thank you so much, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.